County, Franklin County, Ockin County, Licking County, Eastern Madison County, Pickaway County, Southeastern Union County, Northeastern Ross County, until 4:15 a.m. At 11:44 p.m., radar indicated that showers and embedded thunderstorms with heavy rain were moving into the warning area. Up to an inch of rain in an hour may occur. With the ground already very wet, this amount of rain will lead to rapid rises in water and flash flooding. Some locations that could experience flooding include Circleville, Delaware, downtown Columbus, Dublin, Gahanna, Grove City, Hilliard, Lancaster, Logan, Newark, Reynoldsburg, and Washington Courthouse. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.